Good morning to everyone. Today discuss about topic is mobile commerce services. First of all to discuss about introduction of mobile commerce. Let us see, I have generally tell that introduction of mobile commerce. We know about what is e-commerce. Yes, it is of course. E-commerce means you can buying things through the online without going to shop. So, e-commerce is becoming necessary for any business to get good sales over the internet. ಆದರೆ nowadays mobile companies invented new smartphones day by day, so user can get all information on the online on their cell phones. ಸೆಲ್ ಫೋನ್ಸ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರವಾಗಿ ಯೂಸರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಆನ್ಲೈನಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಇ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟೆಡ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ಫೋನ್ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ಸ್. This is small introduction of mobile commerce. Let us see to discuss about chapter wise introduction. Let us discuss what is commerce. Commerce is a division of trade or products which deals with the exchange of goods and services from producer to consumer. It compares the trading of economic values such as goods, services, information or money between two or more entities. And let's discuss what is e-commerce. I have already told that what is e-commerce. Another once again I have tell you. It consists of buying and selling of goods and services over an electronic system as the internet. E-commerce is the purchasing, selling and exchanging goods and services over computer network or internet through which transaction or items of sales are performed electronically. Next topic we will discuss about what is commerce. What is mobile commerce? Mobile commerce is also known as m-commerce. M-commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services through wireless handheld devices. M-commerce is the process of paying of service using a mobile phones. And let us discuss types of mobile commerce services. Mobile banking service, mobile ticketing service, mobile money transferring service, mobile marketing service, location based service, mobile entertainment service. Let us discuss one by one will be services. First one, mobile banking service. Let us discuss mobile banking service. It is a one type of mobile commerce services. Banks and other financial institutions use mobile commerce to allow their customers to access account information and make transactions such as purchasing of stocks, receive notifications and transfer money to other banks. Let us see, will be explained. Mobile banking is a type of service. This service provides for banks and other financial institutions to their customers to access account information and make transactions. This is the mobile banking services from some of the mobile banking services. Mini statements and checking of account history, checking the balance, recent transactions, cash in, cash out transactions, etc. These are some bank services provided for mobile banking. Next we will discuss mobile ticketing services. Mobile ticketing is the process where the customer can order, pay for, option and validate tickets from any location at any time using mobile phones. Tickets can be booked and cancelled on the mobile devices with the help of simple application downloads. Delivery of tickets to mobile phones can be done in the form of a SMS or by a MMS. Mobile tickets can be purchased in a variety of ways, including online, via text messaging, or in secure mobile application. Mobile ticketing is used in many applications like airline ticketing, cinema ticketing, railway and bus ticketing, consumer voucher distribution, event ticketing. Let us discuss another service is mobile money transfer service. Mobile money transfer refers to payment service which are performed by using a mobile phone. By using this service, we can transfer money from one person to another person by using a mobile phone. For example, ICICI Bank has started IMPS. IMPS expand is Internet Interbank Payment Service. It is an interesting bank electronic instant mobile money transfer service through mobile phones. Next, we will discuss about mobile marketing service. It is another type of mobile commerce service. Mobile marketing service is a multi-channel online marketing technique. It is focused on the reaching a specific audience on their smartphones, future phones, tablets, or any other related devices through the websites, email, SMS, and MMS, social media, or mobile applications. And also, I have generally will be explained mobile marketing service. Mobile marketing service is a advertising activity that promotes the products and services through the mobile devices such as tabs, smartphones, and others, etc. For examples of mobile marketing service, Redbox, Fodder Motor Company, National Wholesale Liquidators, etc. Next, we will discuss about location-based service. It is another type of mobile commerce service. The location of the mobile phone user has an important prices of information used during mobile commerce or m-commerce transactions. Now the location of the user allows for location-based service such as location discount offers, tracking and monitoring of people, and and let us know another service is mobile entertainment service. Mobile entertainment service is a type of service which doing business that generate value by providing people with something interesting to do or watch. For example, film, music, media, sports, cultural events, performance arts, etc. We will discuss another mobile commerce service is mobile shopping. Mobile shopping allows for customer to purchase a product from mobile devices using an application. ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರವಾಗಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನೇ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಮೆಝಾನ್, ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ಕಾರ್ಟ್, ಇಬೇ, ಆಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್, ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. Overall, this topic will be conclusion is the core of mobile commerce is the use of a terminal or telephone, PDA, PC device and public mobile network to access information and conduct transactions that result in the transfer of value in exchange of information, services or goods. Mobile commerce refers to any transaction which mandatory value that is conducted via a mobile communications network. Thank you for watching. Any doubts will be clarified. Comment on this video on this YouTube channel. Thank you.